Ayur Ruddhi Pranayama. First one, deep breathe in, hold the breath, completely breathe out. Okay, see, entire Karya Siddhi Kriya Yoga is a bunch of secrets, bunch of rituals. One secret itself you can practice. Okay, Ayurvedi Pranayama. Okay, 5 minutes you can practice. Clear. See, every mudra, Chin Mudra. This is Chin Mudra. Clear? Chinmaya Mudra. Clear? Chinmaya Mudra. Adi Mudra. Adi Mudra. Clear? Merudanda Mudra. Clear? Merudanda. Brahma Mudra. See, Adi Mudra is there, no? Adi Mudra. Join. And rest on the navel. Is it? Brahma Mudra. Is clear? Why Nabi? What's the speciality here? Tell me. It directly connects to the universal energy. This mudra, no? Directly connects. You have to experience this one. Few days, give me the time. See the magic of your life. Okay?